quick tip. I know that most of you know already, but I used to carry this water bottles. Can you see it? This is a bicycle water bottle, and it's like 100 grams lighter than a thermic water bottle. And it makes such a big difference because you start with the cold water and like 2-3 hours later it's hot on those bottles, but on this one it takes forever. And only put like 2 ice cubes. Don't put more than 2 ice cubes on it, because if you do, the ice cubes will be there and there will be no water to drink. Hope you like it. I know it's a very quick tip, very simple one, but you know, tips are like this. Very quick and very simple, and sometimes it helps a lot of people. Hope you like it. And now I'm going out to make a great video for this Saturday. Bye-bye.